everybody, this is Joel Carricker, Trinity Roofing and Construction. As many of you know, we had a pretty big storm in March of 2024, hitting a good portion of Little Elm, Prosper, and other sections. And boy, when it came down, it just hit a ton of folks. And there's a lot of other areas that were not touched. You gotta love Mother Nature. She has a sense of humor. And so what I've always encouraged people to do to make sure that things are good, just give me a shout. We'll check things out. We'll give you an actual honest assessment if something's needed or something is not needed. Ultimately, we're saying, hey, just hold tight, don't do a claim. Nothing is, no action needed. But there's other folks that are not in that same predicament, and it's important to actually make that call to make sure everything is dried in. In this portion of Little Elm, you can see, boy, we just got hail. All those dark marks. This is a tremendous amount of hail. It's going through. Look at this. This has actually gone through the sides. So it's not just the fact we know that this roof is going to be replaced, but in the interim, while we're waiting for insurance and that whole process, we have, these vents that are just riddled. I mean, there's holes in it. And the problem with that, and it's all of them, is that water, some of the rain that we've had in the last week, water is actually getting into the attic. And that's one thing we definitely want to avoid. So we're going to actually take measures here to dry everything in, to get things set. So when the adjusters here is documented, there's no issues from that side. So we can get a full new skin and a new roof taken care of on this property. That is the roof, that is the gutters, the fence, everything that has that storm damage. But again, this is Joel Carricker with Trinity Roofing and Construction. You got to enjoy beautiful days like this. And, when you actually have anything in question you're wondering, please give me a shout. 214-535-0888. Have a great day.